Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about the family life education. Okay. Before starting this topic, the family life education, the style being one simple story which are directly connected to the family life education. Okay. Let's start the story first. So once upon a time, there was a place, built upon the edge of the river, where the water churned and roughly over the rock, like that. This is the river, and the water will be roughly over the rock. There was a sign at the river edge warning to the dangers, but the people often ignored the sign and fell into the river. Okay? So there was a sign at the river edge warning of the dangers. यहाँ पे एक river edge में एक sign था कि there is a warning of the danger. This is the dangers in the river side. But the people often ignored this sign. Generally जो people stay like this case, वो ignore करते थे इस danger sign को, and they fall into the river. Okay? They either draws or the fall downstream to a waterfall and where they never seen again. क्योंकि वो जनरली ये करते थे when they fall in the river, तो या तो वो वहीं पे रुक के मर जाया करते थे या फिर बहुत कम लोग होते थे जो तैर के भाग आ जाते थे. अब river, the villagers came up with the plan. कि जो villagers थे यानी कि जो people थे इसके उन्होंने एक plan किया. The net was put into the downstream to catch those who had fallen into the river. कि कोई एक नेट डाला जाए, ठीक है, जिससे क्या कहता है जो भी उस रिवर में फॉल होता है यानी गिरता है, ठीक है, उससे हम कैच करके बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. Like this. A fall time crow was the hidden to watch for the waves of floating downstream, but pull them from the river, dry them, and off get the ambulance. ठीक है. एंड फुल टाइम वहाँ पे एक पर्सन रहता था जो ये देखता था कि कौन इस रिवर में गिरा है और गिरने के बाद उसे ड्राई अप करना, उसे रिवर से बाहर निकालना, ठीक है, उसे ड्राई अप करना और एम्बुलेंस में सेंड करना टू सेव देयर लाइफ. देन अ न्यू हॉस्पिटल वाज बिल्ट क्लोजर टू द रिवर एड्स. एक न्यू हॉस्पिटल जो था बना था जो रिवर के साइड में था. All these efforts increased the survival rate, but many were still injured and drowned. इससे क्या हुआ कि सर्वाइवल रेट तो इंक्रीज हुआ, इनकी जो पहले ट्रिपल जो रिवर में गिर जाया करते थे, फॉल होते थे, ठीक है, उसके बाद वो जिन्हें स्विमिंग नहीं आता है तो वो बाहर नहीं निकल पाते थे, उनकी वही डेथ हो जाती थी. तो उन्होंने नेट डालना स्टार्ट किया एंड वी विल इजीली पुल आउट द पर्सन फ्रॉम द रिवर, और हमने उन्हें ड्राई अप किया और एम्बुलेंस में सेंड कराया और एक न्यू हॉस्पिटल बिल्डअप था द साइड ऑफ द रिवर, जिसकी वजह से जो पीपल्स थे उनकी सर्वाइविंग रेट इंक्रीज होने लगी. बट स्टिल जो पीपल्स थे उन्हें इंजरी होती थी. A couple who moved to the village watched what was happening and asked if there something more could be done to save them. Okay, that is called collaboration. तो एक पीपल जो कि वहाँ गाँव से जा रहे थे, उस विलेज से जा रहे थे, उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ पे ये सब हैपनिंग्स होती हैं. लाइक पीपल जाते हैं, वो रिवर में फॉल होते हैं, वहाँ पे नेट की फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है, बट स्टिल उन्हें इंजरी होती है. Some people are survived, some people are still die. The villagers explained that they hadn't developed a good system while they were not able to save anyone. Things had improved. Okay. Villagers ने बताया कि उन्होंने एक गुड सिस्टम डेवलप किया, उन्हें गुड सिस्टम डेवलप करना चाहिए जिससे कि वो पीपल को हेल्प कर सके, और जिन्होंने सिस्टम डेवलप किया है उससे सब लोग सेव नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो उसे इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए. जैसे कि उन्होंने नेट डाला था, नेट से उन्होंने पीपल्स को ले तो लिया, लेकिन स्टिल जो पीपल से दे हैव अ डीप इंजरी. Now, the couple decided to take a matter into their own hands by helping to build a large fence along the rough part of the river. That is called prevention. Okay, so they have decided like that कि जो river है उसके side में fence लगाई जाए. इससे क्या होगा, एक small सा indication दिया था that is the dangerous in the river side. Okay, इससे क्या होगा, हम prevent कर सकते हैं कि people fall होते हैं इनसे. Then offering the swimming lesson, that is comes under the education. Prevention यानी कि होने से पहले यानी बचाव. ठीक है, रिवर में अगर कोई गिरता है उसमें अगर साइड लाइन्स लगी हुई हैं तो उससे क्या होगा, वो इजीली कोई भी जैसे बेबीज हैं या जो भी रिवर को क्रॉस करते हैं विलेजेस में, तो सब लोग जो होंगे फॉल नहीं होंगे. And the second part is the offering the swimming lesson. And इसके अलावा उन्होंने जो various people थे उनको swimming lesson provide किया. That means they are providing the education like that. अगर आप river में fall हो जाते हो तो किस तरह सबको swim करना है. Speaking to grazers about the dangers of going into the river without a life jacket. उन्होंने बताया कि अगर आप river में without life jacket जाते हो, this is very dangerous for you. Okay, that is comes under the prevention and education. Conducting class to teach people how to maneuver the boat around the rock. It also comes under the prevention and education. उनको teach किया कि किस तरीके से वो बोट को रिवर में चला सकते हैं क्योंकि जिससे वो अपनी जो भी फर्दर प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं वो शॉर्ट आउट हो जाए. The fewer people are falling into the river. बहुत कम लोग ही रिवर में फॉल होते थे. Those who did fall in were better able to help themselves out. जो भी उसमें फॉल होता था तो अपने आप को उससे बचा लेता था. Because of they get the education also they also get the education regarding the prevention. Now like that. So now we'll start the family life education. That means while explain this story to you, that means the people should be take their own health responsibility, and this is very important. The first responsibility of the every person is their own health. Okay. Now the definition of the family life education is an organized effort to provide the family member with the information, skills, experience, or resources intended to strengthen, improve, or enrich their family experience. So it is an organization which are providing the effort or which can take the effort and providing a different kind of information and skill to the family member to improve their strength, to improve their family life. Family life education is defined as it is an educational activity occurring outside a traditional school classroom setting, usually involves the adult that is designed to strengthen relationships in home and foster positive individual couple and the family development. So family life education generally it is defined in the kind of education. Okay, education means it's a traditional education, traditional school classroom settings, okay, which are usually providing a design strength relationship in between the home. Okay? And we can say that in between the family members, we are providing a positive attitude towards the family members. Okay? Now the categories of the family life education. It's a pre-marriage education, marriage life education, prenatal parenthood. Pre-marriage education. यानी marriage से पहले we should teach the person. Okay. Why the pre-marriage education is important? Why? Because the upcoming couple जो भी अब couple बन रहे हैं या एक relationship में जा रहे हैं, they have to take their own home life education, own health responsibility. They have to take a good decision to their life. Okay. They have to cooperate to each other and the situations also to maintaining the relationship, also to maintaining their health. Okay. The pre-marriage education involves the following aspects. First, adults in the fast physical development, they should understood what is the actual time or the age of the marriage. Okay, they have to understood the secondary sex characteristic development, the adolescence and the fast physical development. Development of the secondary sex characteristics. Problem with the adolescent related to physical, mental, and sexual development. Their curiosity about the changes. They tease the adolescent, but other physical, mental, other sexual development occur at the time of adolescent period, and as well as they had to clear out their all the doubts. Okay, and because the adolescents have having the curiosity regarding the changes of in their own body, okay, so they are providing education to the people. The gender identify equality sensitiveness to opposite sex. Okay, they also educate to the people regarding the gender equality, the male and the female equality, sensitiveness to the opposite sex. Okay, they should understand each other feelings, their body changes, okay, their problems. So these all comes under the marriage or pre-marriage education. before the marriage, you have to educate the adolescents regarding their own health, the physical, mental. Okay, problems related to the sexual behavior with the opposite sex, drug addiction, okay, concept of the reproductive tract infection. This is very important. We should teach the adolescents regarding the reproductive tract infections like STD, HIV, AIDS. Okay, pre-marriage counseling and the selection of parents to life partners. Okay, so how they will select the life partners, but also they have to provide the pre-marriage counseling, unmarried mothers, like teenagers mothers, marriage life education. Okay, so all these comes under the before marriage. Now we will discuss about the marriage life education. In the marriage life education, this includes a large number of the factors which may be influence the marriage life. Like the first is changing the pattern of marriage. Okay, taking the myths about the marriage, divorce and the separations, extramarital and the premarital relationships, and the remarriage. So we have to educate the couples and the couples before the marriage, like what are the changing pattern of the marriage, because we are belonging from the different religions, different culture and society. Everyone has their own religious factors regarding the marriage. Okay, अपन देखा होगा जैसे कि ओल्ड टाइम पे 13 ईयर 14 ईयर 15 ईयर मैरिज हो जाया करती थी. Nowadays is minimum age is 18 or 19 years. This is the because of the health of the female as well as the male. Okay, they have to maintain their relationship. Myths about the marriage. Okay, so we have to clear out the myths about the marriage. Like they are thinking that the female को minority start हो जाता है. 13 14 years बाद उन्हें marriage कर देना चाहिए. Previous time. Okay. Kind of the myth. They should understood the reproductive development is very important at the point of female health. Now the divorce and the separation. And divorce and what is the reason and the causes behind the divorce and separation when they are don't understood and they can't manage the relationship, they can't handle the relationship, the situations because they are mentally not developed to handle these kind of situations. So that's why we will encourage to the people they have to get married after the 18 and 19 year only. Some writer and the pre-writer relationship also. Okay, especially for the adolescent people and the remarriage. Remarriage not a kind of हमारी सोसाइटी में myth है कि remarriage नहीं करना या remarriage को जो सोसाइटी इस होते हैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. So we have to change the mentality because everyone has to rise with their happiness. Widow and widow marriage, children of divorce, sexual dysfunction, sterility, adoption of child, rescue baby, MTP, RTI, STD, HIV, AIDS, conception, all the education we should provide the premarital education. All comes under the premarital education. Before the marriage, we should teach the couples regarding all these factors. Okay. Now the planning parenthood after the marriage. The parenthood is a complex, dynamic social process in which every husband and wife may not be an expert. Normally, parents deal with their children in joint family parenthood is relatively easy. Childhood with a painful experience and a dissatisfaction find the problem is becoming a good parent. Okay, so before when you plan for any, especially the new married couples, we are providing the parenthood counseling. Okay, so what is the importance of the parenthood counseling? So that they have to understood how to take care of their child. Okay, being a parent, what are their responsibilities? How they develop, how they can support in their physical and mental development. Okay. So in the first is the parenthood is a complex and dynamic social process in which every husband and wife may not be exact. Okay. जनरली क्या होता है जैसे अर्ली मैरिज कर लिया या फिर लेट मैरिज भी होता है या फिर टाइम पे मैरिज हो जाए तो इससे मैरिज person are not taking the responsibility, and sometimes they're not planned to get plan for the child. Okay, unplanned child होता है जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है mentally physically उसके लिए ready नहीं होते. Sometimes they are not taking their own responsibility. They are not take care of their child. Okay. They don't know how to take care of the child. Okay. They have the lack of knowledge also. Normally the parent deal with their children. In joint family, because joint family में क्या होता है कि हमारे father होते हैं, mother होती है, mother ग्रैंड मदर्स हैं, दे आर टेक केयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड. अगर वो नहीं है और अगर नॉर्मल यानी कि सिंगल फैमिली है तो the parents are only responsible of their child only. Okay? Childhood was a painful experience. If you are not take care of their child, अगर प्रॉपर सब एजुकेशन नहीं देते हो, उसकी केयर नहीं करते हो, तो प्रॉपर टाइम नहीं देते हो, मेंटली और फिजिकली डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प नहीं करते हो, तो चाइल्ड में क्या होता है, एक पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस डेवलप होते हैं उसके चाइल्डहुड से. ठीक है, द पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं डिससेटिस्फैक्शन. ठीक है, lack of love from the parent side because the parents are busy. They are not providing the enough time to their child. Find the problem in becoming good parents. Advantage of the planning parenthood. It is very important कि आप जब भी conceiving कर रहे हैं इससे पहले you have to plan. Okay, the number of the child will be limited and the gap between children will be idle. That is the 3 year between the two child. Improvement in the health status of the family members. Control over the heredity and the other disease to some extent. Overall development of the children. Improvement in the space and happiness progress of the family. Produce a good citizenship. Okay. These are the advantages of the planning of parenting. Now the family life education content area. So in the family life education, we should teach each and every individual in a family and a whole family also. So understanding the family and their relationship to the societal institutions. Okay, so this is very important that you have to provide the education to your child how to be a successful person in a society, how you will maintain the social relationship, how you will deal with the problems which are occurring in a society. Okay, you have to follow the rules, the customs, the traditional, and the social standards also. Internal dynamic of the family, the understanding the family strength and the weakness and the how family members related to each other. This is very important. We have to understand the strength and the weakness of the family so that the we have to maintain the relationship in between the each member. Human growth and development across the lifespan. Okay. Understanding the development change of the individual and the family throughout the lifespan. So this is very important. We have to understand what are the changes occurring in the individual according to their time. Okay. Human sexuality, understanding the physiological, psychological, and the social aspect of the sexual development and throughout the lifespan. Okay. Starting from the marriage life till your old age, you have to understand the need of each person, especially between the couples. They have to understand their physiological, psychological, social, and the sexual development. Interpersonal relationship, understanding of the development and the maintaining of interpersonal relationship. The family resources management, understanding the decision individual and the family make about the development and allocating resources including the time, money, material as a friend, neighbors, and the space. The family resources is very important. You have to manage all these things. You have to give proper time to your family. You have to earn properly so that you have to earn enough to provide the each and everything, every resources to your family. You have to maintain all the materialistic, what are the demands of your family. You have to maintain the relationship between the friends and the neighbors. You have to maintain also the limitation and the space. Okay, being an individual parent education, the guidance, understanding of the how the parents teach, guide, and influence the child in adulting. Because the parents' education, the family education, whatever they are teach to their child, they grasp and they follow it in their whole life. So this is very important to understand the parents' education, family law, and the public policy. Understanding of the legal issue and the policy and the law influencing the well-being of families. Vocational ethics and practice. understanding the characteristic of the quality, human social conduct, and the ability to critically examine the ethical question and the issues. Where do family life education work? Actually, the family life education work to serve the human parenting the education whenever you have to teach to your child, caregiver and the long-term care program. You're providing the care to the patient and whenever you're organizing any long-term care program. Faith in community, marital and the premarital education, school education and settings, family law setting, role of nurses and family welfare programs. So what are the role of nurses and family welfare programs? This is the family planning is the aim at a small family which is serve the welfare of the individual and the family and community. It is also associated with the numerous misconceptions. The recognition of the welfare concept came only the decade and a half after its uh, inception when it was the main family welfare program in 1977. So in a family welfare program, generally in a small family, they have served the care in between the family members. They have to maintain the relationship in the society. Okay, basic principle of the family welfare program. What are the basic principles? The family welfare program will provide the comprehensive material in the child health and also the family planning services. Creating the awareness, information, education, communication will be used effectively. So, what is the basic principles? The principle is like that you have to provide the preventive and the curative services so that the person should understand their own self. You have to understand the responsibility of towards their family. Okay, being a parent, what are the responsibility of their towards their child? Okay, what are the responsibility of towards their partner also? The role of the nurses in journaling have children and those who don't listen and understanding the counseling, making the appropriate referral for the fertility control, providing and interpreting the family planning information and top community resources for the health worker and community. So being a nurse, you have to provide all this kind of education that they have to understand the relationship. Okay. For example, if you are posted in a community site, so you have to educate the docents regarding the sexual education and transmission of the sexual reproductive infection. And also you have education regarding the secondary sex characteristic development, what are the changes are occurred during adolescence time, mentally and physically, how they are, they should change and they have to understand all these things. Premarital education, you have to uh, pre-parenthood education. The pre-parenthood education, you have to educate the new married couples how to take care of the child, what are the basic gap in between the two child, okay? And according to their financial status only uh, they have to plan for the children born out of the child, okay? And they what are the responsibilities toward their child, how they can grow their child, okay? What kind of education of we can say with the primary education they are providing to their child. So all these things. Planning and the participant evaluating the family welfare services and organizing the camp. So we have to, being a nurse, you can organize the camp for providing the family life education, supervising and guiding the other family paramedical persons such as the health worker, ANM, initialization, they're contributing toward the research. So we can also see the effectiveness, whatever they are providing, whatever the nurses are providing education to their family, okay, and they have to contribute as a part in the research. The planning, conducting, evaluating, and the core coordinator, the medical officer in community health center, the labor training for the other paramedical staff. So, according to the labels, like if we are starting from the grounded labor, like the dying and the female health worker, male health worker, ASHA, ANM, staff nurses, they all are involving and they all are coordinating to provide a family life education. The role of the nurse in the family life planning is administrative role, supervision role, functional role, educational role, role in research and role in evaluation. So being administrative role, you have to decide what kind of the facility you have to provide in the community. A supervisory role, whatever the education, the facility you are providing, you have to supervise whether the people are utilizing and they are following this instruction or not. Being a functional role, you have to provide a proper resource material to the community. Education role, you have to provide a preventive education to the community people. Being a researcher, you have to conduct a different kind of the researcher to find out the problems and to sort out the problems. During the evaluation, as an evaluator, you have to see the evaluation, or you have to see the effectiveness of your education, your planning, your supervision, your administration. Nurse's responsibility. The nurse's responsibility understanding the feeling and the attitude about the sex and family planning. The knowledge about the family planning. Yes, knowledge about the family planning, nature and family planning, matter of family planning, the sources available and government policy. So being a nurse, you have to provide the knowledge about the family planning, the family planning methods. There are different kind of family planning methods for the male and female, permanent and temporary also. Resources available, that means you have to distributing them, the resources which are you can easily reach out, and you also tell the government policies to the community people, what are the plans they are organizing for the, especially the rural people. Okay, knowledge about the person, the knowledge about the person, individual need and the awareness about the cultures. We have to provide the being a nurse, you should know what are the culture, belief, and the customs of the particular community. Communication, the health education. In communication, the health education, being a good listener, he should provide a counseling service. So, being a counselor, you should be a good listener. You have to listen out the problem of the community, and you have to find out the solution and provide the solution to the community. Being a motivator, you have to motivate the eligible couple for the family planning. Being a clinical, you have to assist the doctors and conducting the clinical and assisting the postnatal checkup and follow up through the home visit. Through the home visit, we have to follow up like in Asha, by female health worker, male health worker, by these mentors. You can use these mentors for follow up. Like they go and see the person they are actually utilizing the services or not. Recording mentally. So this is very important. Whatever you have to do, you have to record as evidence. And this is also important research purpose also. The identification of the communication leader. To identify the community leader, involve the community leader to work participant in the program. So being a leader, you have to participate in each community program. You have to give the advices. Also, you have to maintain the adequate supply of the resources, educational programs. We have to organize a different kind of education program to provide a new update, new knowledge to the people. For example, if the government are organizing any kind of program to the community people. Family education, it is a broad sense including all the education efforts designed to make the most of the family living. In this context, the present study aims at understand the concept of the family life education. Among the rural and urban adolescent girls of Jammu, the sample consists of the four. इसमें बताया गया कि जम्मू कश्मीर में रूरल अर्बन गर्ल्स एडोलसेंट गर्ल्स में स्टडी किया गया था फैमिली लाइफ एजुकेशन के लिए, जिसमें से 400 गर्ल्स और 200 गर्ल्स ऐसे सैंपल लिए गए, जिसमें 200 रूरल थे एंड 200 अर्बन पीपल्स थे. Sample generally was selected just schools in presence a child to girls school presence in school level से sampling की गई थी, questionnaires किए गए. Okay. And questionnaires here regarding the nutrition, health, AIDS, HIV, growth and development, puberty, gender, sanitizer, sibling relationship, personality, development, family, interpersonal relationship. In the area of the growth and development, puberty, menstruation, reproductive, or including results show that adolescent knowledge regarding such issue and are quite poor. So result here, that is the adolescent girl having a lack of knowledge regarding the family life education. Simply we can say that because in family life education comes under all these ones like puberty, menstruation, reproductive, and personal development, family development, prenatal counseling, HIV, AIDS, secondary sex development. If all these things are lack, definitely they have no lack of knowledge. So this is very important. We have to provide education as a preventive, and also sometimes we educate the person as a curative and as a treatment.